Hey everybody, welcome back to Logging Joints. Today in this video, you will learn how to auto scroll on TikTok. So for that, you will be needing an app. Go to Play Store and download this app that says Automatic Scroll. Tap Install. Once you download this app, tap Open. Tap Start Service. Give permission. Give other accessibility permissions as well. At the plus icon, select the app. Here, select TikTok. One more thing to do before you go, tap this three dot, tap Settings, and under here, the delay between pages maintain according to your choice. I'm gonna leave it to 8 seconds. Open your TikTok. Now to enable this feature, tap this icon, and after the desired time that you have just set yourself, it will get auto scrolled. Just like this. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.